As an entrepreneur, you are on the road a lot. Electromobility requires you to schedule stops to recharge your vehicle. As soon as you leave your company's building, you are focused on reaching your destination and lose sight of your current business. Until now, I'm introducing my latest evolution that creates a smarter use of your time while your electric vehicle is charging. Make yourself comfortable while your vehicle is charging. With Tesla's advanced vehicle connectivity, you can now start the EVO Connect application with the push of a button. What you will see is real. Before your eyes, your vehicle will turn into a digital factory to go. You can delegate tasks to employees from your mobile office, contact customers via CRM, or of course, monitor your production in real time. At the same time, you have a complete overview of your factory and your production. In the coming months, I will show you many new possibilities in more detail with further videos. You can already use your digital factory to go in your Tesla. Please send me a personal email and you will own the most advanced car cockpit very soon. You should be looking forward to this.